Hello everyone, and welcome you all to the DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So, it's a comprehensive course and empowering program designed to help you master one of the most powerful and professional video editing and color grading tools available today. So, whether you are a beginner looking to enter the world of video production or an experienced editor aiming to refine your skills, this course is your gateway to unleashing your creative vision, achieving professional grade results. So basically, DaVinci Resolve is an industry-leading software that seamlessly integrates editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production into a single intuitive platform. So in this course, we will be learning all of this and from the basics of project setup to advanced techniques such as color grading, visual effects, and audio enhancement. Each module of the course is meticulously crafted to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the software. So let's prepare to embark on an exciting and enriching journey as we dive into the realm of DaVinci Resolve, unlock our creative potential, refine your editing skills, and join the league of skilled professionals who utilize the remarkable software to craft visually stunning and compelling videos. So basically, DaVinci Resolve is a video editing software in which we'll be learning how to video edit and how to take it to another level. But DaVinci Resolve is quite famous for its free version. So in other video editing software, we need to buy that software basically most of the part. But in DaVinci Resolve, we have the paid version as well as the free version. So in free version only, they're giving us quite many options to edit our videos or edit any kind of photos we want. They do have amazing features which we'll be learning in this class. So after we open the tab, like if I click on the DaVinci Resolve, so this is the platform which comes. This interface, it appears. So here, if you want to create a new project, we can click here and here what size I do want my icon in, okay? If I'm increasing the size of the icon, it will increase, and if I'm decreasing it, then it will decrease. If I want my list, if I do have so many videos in the same page, if I want it in the list view, I can click this one and I can get it in list view. And if I want it in the thumbnail view, I can do that as well. And if I want to search anything, I do have the search option here. When we have a lot of videos here, we can search which video do I want to edit. And if I want to create a new folder here in which I want to save my works and everything, I can make a new folder from here. If I want to open an existing file which I'm working on right now, I can open it from here. If I want to make a new project, I can make a new project from here. So first, let's see how we can download and from where we can download, okay? So I'll just basically go to my Chrome and I have already searched, see if I wrote DaVinci Resolve. So once I click DaVinci Resolve, a page here on the top appears like the DaVinci Resolve 18, okay? So DaVinci Resolve is by a software by Blackmagic Design. So if I click on this, from here we can basically download. So here you can see I have the DaVinci Resolve page, and if I go down, I do have options here. Okay, if I want to buy, it's like 295. If I want to buy now, if I click this, a page will appear where I can do my payments and get all the facilities and all the premium products of DaVinci Resolve. So here you can see the subtotal is 295. And if I go back here, if I want to use the free version, here you can see I have DaVinci Resolve 18.5 public beta and all. And if I do have a Mac, Windows, or Linux, I can download what version do I need. So from here, we can download according to our need. And hope you guys have understood how to actually download. Let's go back. So here, I want to create a new project, and I'll click on the new project here. I can name the project as, I'll name it as DaVinci Tutorial. I'll create. So once I have created the page, this interface or the workspace will come in front of me. As you can see, this is the DaVinci workspace or the interface. And I'm actually using the DaVinci Resolve 17. And after creating, I'll go to the settings option before going in depth. Here I do have all the project options here. You can see the timeline resolution. What resolution do I want my video to be in? Okay. And I can select the aspect ratio. I want it in square or cinemascope. I can also choose the timeline frame rate. Okay. Uh, Basically we choose 24, 25, 30. For me, I do work with 24, 25 basically most of the time. So I'll choose 30, 25 here. And we have to make sure that the playback frame rate is also the same as the timeline frame rate. And here, if I want to save this setting, like the resolution, and if I want to save this, that I want this setting only in my other videos, which I'm going to work on, then I can come here in the presets option. I can click on this current project, and I can click here as save as, and I can name it as my workspace. Workspace. So as I have selected the name, and I'll just click on OK. So every time I choose this option, I'll have this width and this height and this resolution for my videos. And if I want to bring it in use, if I want to work in this resolution now, I'll just simply select this and click on load option. And now I do have that setting, like which I have said. You can do with many size and also with many kind of resolution if you want to set any kind of presets. So now let's come down in this workspace, and you can see we have few options. Here I have the media options where I will be importing all the videos and the audios which I'm going to edit. So from here I can click here and I can just upload or bring my file here to work on that. And next is the cut option. So here, basically what we'll be doing is if we don't want any part or any unwanted audios in my video, then I can just cut or trim it from here. And I'll be showing you in the later stages of the class how we're going to do that basically. So from here, basically we can cut, trim, and here is the main option which I'll be focusing on in this tutorial because this is the place where the magic happens and where we'll be spending most of our time. It is the edit option here. So here only we'll be merging 2 to 3 videos together. We'll be putting our logos, we'll be putting effects, we'll be putting transition, we'll be putting many kind of background musics. We'll be learning about all that. So after this option, we do have the fusion option. Here it's called the fusion. So fusion is a super graphic motion area, or it's an animation place. It's kind of like the Adobe After Effect, which is just built in DaVinci. Okay. And after that, we have the color grading option. So basically from here, we can change the color. We can work on the color of our video or our images. What type of color do I want? We can change the color of the background. if you want to just focus at one place, if we want to make it kind of sunny, if we want to make the picture quite dull, we can do basically from here. We can actually try few of them, and whichever suits our eyes the best, then we can choose that. And here we do have the audio file. From here we can put different type of audios. So like all the advanced option for audio editing, we can do it from here, this option. And the last comes the deliver. So here deliver is just exporting whatever work we have done in this page. If you want to save it on our system, or if you want to save it in anything like in our pen drive or in our tab, or if you want to upload in like YouTube or Vimeo account or anything as such, we can just upload it directly from here. And we can just choose the format, choose the resolution, frame rate, quality, and many more, which I'll be explaining you guys in the later stages of the class. So I hope you guys have understood the basic things like what DaVinci Resolve is and how it's going to help you out in your editing skill, and how it will enhance your skills in this video editing career or in this platform.